lovely people. Hi, great people. Welcome to my African cooking zone. And for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe. Gonna enjoy in this channel. We are going to enjoy cooking African dishes. So today we are going to cook tea, African tea. So we get started. Stick around. So water. You put water. There is hot water, yeah, in a sufuria, in our cooking bowl. This is very hot water, and I'm going to nenda kuwasha gas. So shai gas, nikisha washa gas, after turning on the gas, after turning on the gas, I'm going to leave it it had boiled, but I'm going to leave it boil for a very short time. So I'm going to cover it so that it can boil faster. Yes. So my people, the water has already boiled, super boiled. So I'm going to add milk. So I think adding milk to our tea, to our water, which has already boiled. So I'm going to add some tea leaves. Yeah, these are our tea leaves. Then so I'm going to add sugar. Adding sugar. So I'm going to cover it so that it can now boil for the last time. And that is it. After boiling now, I'm going to serve it to my family, my people. So guys, thank you for being a good viewer, watcher. For those who have not subscribed, please leave a subscription, and don't forget leave a like, and don't forget to share my video so that many people can cook along with us. So thank you guys. Let me meet you in my next video. So our tea is ready for being served.